So the aluminum jet boat cleaned up pretty nice. Just pressure washed the carpet stuff on the inside. Pretty basic. That controls the trolling motor, and then that's the Yamaha controller. They're both hooked up to the steering wheel. Started the 15 horse. The 65 horse I haven't started yet, but still working on that. Don't want to mess it up by starting it out of water. Not too sure if I can or not. Seat covers are in pretty good shape. Came with a bunch of stuff. There's survival suits and stuff. All sorts of fishing gear. Nice tackle box. Some radios. Waders. All sorts of buoys. This one's a little bit more of a project. It's got a little bit more work to do on it. It also came with this. I think this is $1,000 or so for one of these. Inflatable. You can put up to a 15 horse on it. And dinghy. Some pretty big buoys. All sorts of random stuff. Like kayaks, pretty much trash. This thing, I couldn't quite get it to turn over. I think I need more cold cranking amps on the battery I was using. But, I mean, it's not horrible. I think once we pressure wash the inside of it, needs a little bit of work. Needs 2 new deep cycles. But, you know, it's got a stove, it's got propane, it's got a fridge, it's got a water tank. It's completely covered, which is nice. It's just a little more beat up, but I think a little TLC, you could definitely get it usable, but that one's pretty much ready to go. But yeah. Should be pretty fun.